Out here getting a little trail jog in, charging up Wallace Falls, Wallace River down there. Done this hike a few times, but really wanted to try and trail jog it as I'm trying to push my runs a little farther these days. Threw on a little light backpack with just the Drizone and just funny little fanny pack water bottles. There you go. See how this goes. As I'm jogging up here, a couple things I'd like to touch in on that I've been thinking about a lot, and that's pursuing physical goals, and then also this modern day digital content creation. Everybody wants to capture their stuff. I think they can work hand in hand. I think a lot of the motivation I get is from people who put their stuff online. Goggins yelling in my ear on loop as I'm running. If I can set the camera down, run by it a couple times, and use an edit of my physical progress to motivate somebody else, then I'm all for it. And I think that's a great way how this all works hand in hand. Charging. Look at that green, look at that moss. Whew. Let's go. Sweating. Working my way up to the upper falls. The light looks like it's starting to wrap around. A little bit of shadow still on the right side of the canyon there, but I think the timing is gonna be just right. Went up past the upper falls, heading down right now, and found this dope little bridge with the upper falls, I guess, and was a little early on the lighting. Gonna head down and see if that thing is wrapped around. We're ready to rock for a little aerial capture of that, but mobbing.